Hi, this is Raluca from Lukico. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a Lukico demo lesson using Miro as our interactive digital whiteboard, or green board, as you will see. You might have heard of Miro before. It's an amazing digital tool that allows us to get as creative as we want in this new virtual classroom. Please find this as a recommendation of how to use Miro's features and functions. We know that each teacher has a different style, different teaching approach and creativity, and we respect and appreciate them exactly how they are. This classroom is briefly designed for a Year 3 maths lesson, and of course, it could be improved. But just to have an idea of how you can play with Miro, please follow me through. First things first, when you log in with your learner in the live class, you can check their mood. The only thing they need to do is to drag and drop the emoji that best fits their mood at that time. For example, I chose this one. I will click on the blue button to see the extra explanations. Once we spent a couple of minutes to check in, let's check the blackboard. The background is customized for my own preferences, but you can choose your own pictures by uploading any background from Google image search. I will not change mine, but you're free to create your own design. Some children need a constant visual reminder about their topic, so I added the label for the lesson containing the topic and the name of the teacher. Next, I unfolded the lesson into few steps: the warm-up, the instructions, and the practice, each linked to an activity. If you trust your learner to be able to swap tabs, you can use hyperlinks, as I did here. Alternatively, you can easily add videos within the canvas, as I did here, and you can play the video together with your learner. You can also use the post-its to reinforce your instructions or your methods. If you need more practice for your learner, allow them to choose their numbers to create their own calculations and to practice subtractions with their own examples. The only thing they need to do is to drag and drop post-its. Once they found the answer, you can add your validation. For example, they need to redo, or the answer is correct. One of the cool things about Miro is that you can add more and more to your canvas. For example, you start with lesson 1, how to subtract 3-digit numbers, and you build up each lesson until you create an amazing online learning board for your learners. They will have access to it anytime with restricted or personalized editing access. Yes, of course, you can lock some of the content so that nobody can erase it by accident. In the end, you can engage your learner to self-assessment by adding an emoji to the statement that best fits him or her. To make it more amazing, you can enable the timer, the video, and the chat box in real time. I invite you to explore Miro's features to fit your own teaching style and lessons. Please feel free to share your canvases with me.